After playing a few games, to be honest, there haven't been many small screen phones in the past with this kind of powerful performance. Other brands have often been criticized for poor performance tuning in small phones. So for people who love compact phones but worry about performance and heat issues, the OnePlus 13T is a pleasant surprise. In terms of performance, it's even better than many large-screen flagship phones. OnePlus officially calls it the Little Screen Big Demon King, and I think that name fits it well, not just for gaming, but also for overall performance. I've already uploaded the unboxing and first impression video of the OnePlus 13T. If you haven't seen the video yet, the link will be in the description below. Make sure to watch it. This video has been shared by my tech partner from China, so a big thanks to him for that. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Today we're testing a very special phone. It's a compact flagship from OnePlus, the OnePlus 13T. This phone has a small 6.32-inch screen and runs on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. It's a flagship phone with a small display, which sounds quite interesting. We're testing it early because the phone will officially launch on April 24th. Most flagship phones usually keep the same camera setup as their bigger versions. But OnePlus has done something different. Instead of focusing on the camera, the OnePlus 13T focuses on a big battery and strong performance. This makes it stand out from other small screen phones. The front of the phone looks similar to other compact screen phones, but when it comes to battery and performance, the OnePlus 13T is much better than the others. Today, I'll give you a quick look at its performance and gaming test. A full detailed review will be uploaded on April 24th. First, here are some benchmark scores. In Geekbench 6, the CPU score is 3080 for single-core and 9929 for multi-core. In the 3D Mark Steel Nomad Lite test, it scored 2,513 points, with 52% stability after 20 rounds. However, we always tell people not to focus too much on benchmark scores, because these scores don't reflect actual gaming performance. Since OnePlus is focusing on gaming with this phone, real-world performance matters more. Let's get straight to the point and check out the OnePlus 13T's gaming performance. First, we played Genshin Impact with the graphics set to the highest quality. The native resolution is 782p, and the game ran smoothly at full frame rate without any lag. The phone's power usage stayed low, around 4.5 watts on average, which is quite good. The surface temperature of the phone reached up to 42.3 degrees Celsius, but it still felt under control and didn't get too hot. During the test, the two main CPU cores ran at around 1 GHz. When the game needed more power, the CPU would temporarily increase its speed. Looking at CPU usage, we can see that the phone mainly used one big core, along with 6 smaller ones. The other big CPU core was barely used. When we increased the gaming intensity, the OnePlus 13T used a new time-based super resolution algorithm. This feature improves image quality by using details like game depth, motion, vector, and color, along with information from previous frames. It works somewhat like AMD's FSR2 and includes anti-aliasing to smooth out the visuals. Even on a small 6.3-inch screen, the image looks sharp and clear to the eyes. The performance stays smooth with this high image quality. However, when running the game at full frame rate, the phone's power usage increased a lot because the GPU had to work harder. Power consumption went up to 6.4 watts. The phone's maximum temperature went above 47 degrees Celsius, so it did feel a bit hot. Next, we increased the load by playing Sounds Tide, which is more demanding. We set the graphics to the highest level, and the resolution was 864p. Even with that, the frame rate stayed stable at around 59 FPS, which is very good. During this test, the phone used about 6.7 watts of power, showing that the game was putting a lot of pressure on the system. Even with this heavy load, the OnePlus 13T managed to handle it well, thanks to its stable performance, though the temperature still reached a high of 46.6 degrees Celsius. Compared to other small screen phones, the OnePlus 13T performed better. The CPU behavior was similar to what we saw in Genshin Impact. The phone mostly used one of the two large cores, while the other one was used less. Now let's try a very heavy game, Honkai Star Rail. We played it during Pinaconi's golden moment. Surprisingly, even with its small size, the OnePlus 13T maintained close to 60 FPS on average. The phone's power consumption was around 6.6 watts. With this strong performance, the temperature also went up a lot, reaching a high of 48.8 degrees. Still, the phone kept running smoothly, while other small screen phones would have slowed down by now. Looking at the thermal image, it seems OnePlus didn't do much to cool things down. the heat is spread evenly across the phone. This shows how demanding the game really is. We also tried playing PUBG Mobile. OnePlus has always been the official phone partner for PUBG Mobile. This time, the OnePlus 13T improves the precision of fast button controls, which is great because small screens usually make it harder to do fine movements. OnePlus is clearly trying to improve the gaming experience on small screen phones. We tested the game on HDR graphics with 90 FPS, which gives a good balance of sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. The phone handled it easily. Power consumption stayed under 4 watts, and the body temperature was below 40 degrees Celsius, just slightly warm to the touch. If you try to play PUBG Mobile at the highest graphics settings, it will be locked at 40 FPS officially. So most players don't use the highest settings, but OnePlus still supports very high quality visuals and smooth performance, going up to 80 FPS. The gaming feel is good, and even then, power usage stays low at around 4.5 watts. It's a nice balance between great visuals and good battery life. After playing a few games, to be honest, there haven't been many small screen phones in the past with this kind of powerful performance. Other brands have often been criticized for poor performance tuning in small phones. So for people who love compact phones but worry about performance and heat issues, the OnePlus 13T is a pleasant surprise. In terms of performance, it's even better than many large screen flagship phones. OnePlus officially calls it the Little Screen Big Demon King, and I think that name fits it well, not just for gaming, but also for overall performance. So, there you have it. The OnePlus 13T proves that small screens don't have to mean less power. With impressive gaming performance and smooth gameplay, it's clear this phone punches way above its weight. Whether you're a compact phone fan or a gamer on the go, this Little Screen Big Demon King might just be your new favorite. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Let me know your thoughts on the OnePlus 13T in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.